Hello everybody and welcome to the Honest Mama YouTube channel. My name is Claudia and I have created this video to share with you tips, tricks, recipes, packing, organization, methods, reviews of product. Really, it's quite generic, but the whole point of this video, of this channel for me, is to show you what has worked for me and my toddler and has made my life a little bit easier in dealing with a son, dealing with a child that I love to bits, but sometimes it can be overwhelming being a mom, and I don't think many people say that, but as much as I love him, it can be overwhelming, especially in this quarantine. Anyway, let's get on with it. So I'm in his room because just a minute ago we had a beautiful ray of sun coming in, and I just wanted to kind of take advantage of the lighting, and I was kind of messing around with the BFF JuJube, and I said to myself, I was packing it because this relaxes me. It kind of trying packing and unpacking and trying methods that work for me. It relaxes me, and I was using the 12 little trio pouches, and I said to myself, why don't I make a video of showing how well the 12 little trio pouches fit really nicely in the JuJube. I know they're two different brands, you know, but they just complement one another so well. So that's what I've decided to do, and so I'm going to bring it to you now. I'm going to change the angle of the camera to show you. So here we are with the JuJube BFF in Queen's Court. It's the only one I am left with, so I'm sorry if you've seen it before and you're seeing it again, but it's what I like, it's what I use. I'm not into kind of buying too many stuff and then not having enough time to rotate and use them, so I stick with what I like. I did have also another BFF in Black Magic, and that's the one I got rid of, and I a little bit regret it, but anyway, that's a story for another day. God, the amount of stories I could tell. Anyway, here we go. So you're all familiar with the JuJube BFF, where it has a front pocket, a tech pocket, and then it opens up with the two amazing hardware. Open it up, and there we go. It opened up with gussets. So as you can see in here already, I have the medium pouch from the 12 little that actually looks lovely in it, and it fits really nice. So in the front here anyway, very quickly, I have a wet bag from JuJube, and in here I have his activities. Then here we go, here it is. Look how well it sits in. It just slots really nicely in the JuJube BFF, and to consider that I actually have a book behind it. I have a B set, the large B set in sushi cars at the back. This pocket as well is filled with a medium set piece, and this pocket here is filled with a small B set snacking for restaurant needs. But look at the amount of room that I still have, and it's just amazing. I must say I am happy. I like when things fit into each other and they just, I don't know, they just match. They just make your life easier, and that's what this channel is all about for me. Anything that will make my life easier. In here, excuse me, I have his restaurant needs. I should also have, let me see. No, I forgot. I don't have it in here. I have the large part of the... I'm doing this all on camera as usual. I'm honest about everything, and I do like to do things on camera. So this is the largest part, is the largest pouch, sorry, of the trio pouch that I am using folded in a large B set for using it as a wet bag. But what I'm going to do on camera is I'm going to open and I'm going to decant all the clothes that I have in the B set in here, just to show you exactly how it fits into the BFF, because that is the purpose of this video for me, and it is to show you exactly how so fits. So this is empty. Everything that I had is in here. see how big it is. So you can fold it and put it at the bottom. So there you go. So you have the large trio set as a wet bag or a pouch to fit your clothes, and then afterwards, if anything happens and any accidents have happened, you can use it as a wet bag and pop it at the bottom there. Also, I'm going to try and show you. I'm going to pop it here at the back. I'm going to place this one, the medium, back in the front, and then that one back in there. Where's the book? Did I take the book out? I must have misplaced the book. I have, oh, here it is. It's at the bottom. Oh. There we go. I'm doing it again. And there's a little book for his entertainment that I'm going to pop at the back. There. And here we go. Now, it's still closed. You just need to help it along the way a little bit, but it's still close. So we have the medium and the large pouch there, and we also have the small one that I haven't showed you yet. So here we go. This is the large one, and the small one is like my med kit at the back here, and look how nicely it slips in and out of the pockets. Bam. 12 little trio is meant to be for BFFs as well. There you go. I'm in love with this pouch. I'm in love. You can see what's in it. The feel, I don't know what it is. It's the feel of it, I think, as well, that I like. I'm just happy. So I'm just going to show you again. It fits in there, no problem, without a struggle. See? There we go. I'm going to pack everything again. I'm going to get rid of the JuJube large B set, just to show you. I'm going to pop the book there like that, the toys, and the pouch. It closes much better. I think I need to pack it like that. I need to put it at the bottom, so there's no struggle in closing it. One last time, I'm going to show you. Here we go. Here's the medium set piece. Here's the large set piece at the bottom. And here's the small set piece at the back. So there we are. There is the way the trio pouch from 12 Little looks into the BFF. During the video, I decided to change the way I pack. I use the large pouch from the trio now as its own pouch instead of having it in the large B set, as you have seen on the video. If you have made it through my rambling, I know I ramble a lot, but it's the way I do things, and it's the way everything is on camera, and it's the spur of the moment, and what I think is there. Nothing is pre-recorded, nothing is pre-thought. It's just the way it is. So I just really want to thank you for spending your time in watching this video and to give me some support. The sun is back. And please, if you have liked it and if you'd like to give me some support, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me to show some appreciation of what I do, but also it will give me a little bit of positive support in maybe that somebody is watching and that somebody does really appreciate my videos. But thank you again, and again thank you so much for watching the video, and stay safe, and I'll talk to you soon.